Welcome, Bulldoggers, to Big Stretch TVG. No dogs raised, sold, or bred for any illegal purposes. It's strictly for historical, entertainment, and educational purposes only. We got a great show today, Bulldoggers. We going in. It's somebody out there that really been going through what Stretch been going through. And y'all really need to hear this.
I would say this. I got, I'm saying, you ain't got nothing left. No disrespect to what y'all got going on. I've been trying to find good people for so long.
That's how Stretch felt, Bulldoggers. You see, Stretch had lost 70 pounds and had to get put in the hospital. Yeah, behind his stress, anxiety, and seeing all the wrong that these so-called dog men were doing, me and my partner.
Don't fight your dog. Don't fight your dog. You have the best dogs in the world. Don't fight your dogs. Do not fight them. And put them through a keep. What is that Fat Bill? All these other guys got these keeps out here. Yeah. Put your dog through a keep. You know what I'm saying? Don't fight your dogs. These guys, man, they ain't telling you the real, man. They ain't telling you the real, man. They give me a mirage, man. Don't fight your dogs, man. They got undercovers everywhere, man. Yeah, man, for real, dog. For real. I'm talking to you. For real, dog. Shh. Hey, better recognize, man. Hey, it's the real shit, man. Love your dogs, man. Love your dogs, man. Ain't nothing wrong with them to a keep. That's loving your dog, keeping your dog. That's what these guys ain't telling you, man. I'm just putting dogs to a keep. They loving that dog, man. They taking care of that dog, man. They washing that dog, man. They bathing that dog. You know what I'm saying? They conditioning that dog, man. They working that dog. They walking that dog. They treadmilling that dog. They keeping that dog. They loving that dog. You know what I'm saying? You're supposed to be doing it anyway. Anyway. You're supposed to be doing it anyway. You're supposed to keep it real, dog. I don't know why these guys ain't telling you that, man. Don't fight your dogs, man. Because they're going to come kill them dogs, man. The dogs you love, man. Don't do it, dog. Don't do it. This is starting from scratch, dog. I'm telling you straight up. You can be a fool you want to. But I'm telling you, man. They got some shit for your ass, dog. These motherfuckers ain't playing fair here, man. For real. You know what I'm saying? They're going to kill your shit, man. The dogs you love, man. Don't do it, man. Don't let them fool you, man. Don't let them trap you off like that, man. Don't do it, dog. Don't do it.
That right there was Stretch's old video. Very relevant. You see, Bulldoggers, don't everybody get a second chance in life, man. To live their dreams, Bulldoggers. Stretch gonna enjoy every day with these American Pit Bull Terriers. Bulldoggers. Stretch always been a humble guy, man. He always been a humble guy. He ain't always done everything right. I ain't crossed every I and dotted every T. And I ain't got nothing to prove to nobody neither when it comes to dogs. Now, when I was younger, I had something to prove. And went out there, and it is what it is. I don't publicize my past into these dogs like that. Because I just breed dogs, man. You know what I'm saying? But man, these cats, man, around, man, making videos about Stretch, hating on Stretch, man, doing all this foul stuff, man, blocking my posts, blocking my business. I shake my head, man. At the brothers that's doing it. Man, it's people I've been knowing in the dogs for years, man. Years. When I got back in these dogs, man, I ain't think it was gonna be all this hate like it is, man. Why y'all hating on Stretch? You know who he is. Y'all ain't on YouTube. Y'all on that Facebook. Them boards over there. Yeah, them boards over there. I hate to belittle the boards over there, but I'm trying to tell you, Lord have mercy. We got to do better, man. Because Stretch doing better. And can continue to do better. Lord have mercy. See, Stretch always been an impact player. Yeah, if you understand impact player. Yeah. Yeah. My homeboys always carry big sticks. And they ain't play no games. You see, Stretch is trying to improve the community in the American Pit Bull Terrier. See, Stretch sit back on the sidelines for years, man, and watch people, man, different people around the country breed dogs. And I decided when I got back into it, I said, well, I'm going to show these guys how to do it. How to breed a good dog. Yeah. Yeah. How to do it. Because it's trial and error. No one's perfect. But once you lock in on gameness, see, people know this right here. People that really into these dogs know this. You can lose your gameness. Yeah, you can lose it in your line. Yeah, you can. And I feel sorry for you because that's what a lot of people have been doing around the country, man. Yeah. Breeding heart for a hard bite. Looking for mouth on top of mouth on top of mouth. These are game dogs. They ain't hard biting dogs. These are game dogs. The American Pit Bull Terrier is a game dog. And that's what was lost. Yeah, that's what Stretch seen that was lost in the game. Yeah. They forgot about the real. Yeah. They wanted to go with the fake. I had to say it just like that. I got some shows coming up, man, in the future, man. Especially this guy right here. I'm gonna do a show on this guy because he bad for the community, and that's that Rocky Kennel. I got some bombs. Lord have mercy. Y'all guys be aware of these snakes out here, man. Cut your grass, cause these snakes are out here, man. Somebody asked Stretch a question. Stretch, why do you do this? I do it for the love of the breed. The love of the breed. Check out my little homeboy right here. God bless this young brother. August, Stretch got a special surprise for you. Introduce my man right here and his new pup right here, man. It's a pretty puppy right here. Bucky Jr. and Bailey. Good little girl. New home. Great home. God bless you, bro.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Great little puppy. Mm-mm-mm-mm.